We're going to start with metal, which is, think large intestine is the yang of metal, so the colon's right about here. So we can place both hands just like this, right over their colon. And on the breath in, we're going to embody our integrity. We can remind the receiver, as we breathe in, we're embodying integrity. And on the breath out, we're releasing any sadness, any grief. An open mouth. And we can maybe do 3 times right here over the colon. Breathing in and embodying integrity. Breathing out any sadness, any grief. We can refine this by breathing in a pearlescent white color. Breathing out a smoky gray. Just keeps getting clearer. When we're ready to move on from here, we're going to move to the urinary bladder. We're over the water element now. We're going to breathe in and embody wisdom. Breathing out any fear. Hang out here for 3 breaths, at least, normally. Breathing in wisdom. Breathing out any fear. Okay, so that's metal to water. Metal creates water. Water creates wood. So up here is gallbladder and liver. This is wood element. So I'm breathing in and embodying kindness. And I'm breathing out any anger or frustrations. Imagine a deep forest green coming in. And releasing out a slimy, toxic green. As we breathe in and embody kindness for ourselves and others. And release any anger or frustration. Metal creates water, water creates wood, wood creates fire. Right here over the heart, pericardium. We're breathing in peace. Breathing out any overexcitement. What we might call anxiety. We're breathing all the way out. We can imagine a nice soft pink color coming in. And releasing out a fiery red. Metal creates water, water creates wood, wood creates fire, fire creates earth. So we're right over spleen and stomach. We're breathing in trust. Releasing any worries or obsessions. Embodying trust on an inhale. Releasing anything we're worried about. You can imagine a golden yellow chi that's just pouring all over us and dripping down into the earth. And when we're ready, we're going to place our hands over the belly button, breathing all the way out of an open mouth one more time. Reminding the client anytime they need to, they can breathe out like that. And we're just going to hold it right here. You think you want to try that, my friend? It starts out with a very simple belly rub, clockwise. Would you like to learn these ancient, tried and true methods and practices so you can become your own doctor? You can be a conduit of healing and a benefit to yourself, your family, and your community. It requires a lot of work to learn how to do it and to do it itself, because healing is free. It's not easy. The best way to learn is hands-on. Go to healingisfree.com where you can learn more about my healing retreats every summer on the stunning beaches of Santa Barbara.